Benny the Bear goes B. Benny the Bear loves to pick blueberries, but today he was bothered by a buzzing bee. Benny swatted the bee away, saying B. The bee kept buzzing, and Benny kept swatting. B, B, B. Finally, the bee buzzed away, and Benny got to enjoy his blueberries. Can you swat the bee away like Benny? Pretend there is a bee buzzing in your ear and swat it away with your hand, making a B sound. The letter B makes a B sound. When you see the letter B, remember to go B like Benny. Allie the Alligator goes Ah. Allie the Alligator is adventurous when trying new foods. Normally, Allie enjoys eating meat, but today something different catches her eye. A big apple tree hanging over the river. Allie swims up to the apple, opens her mouth wide, and goes, Ah! Chomp! Allie loves her new snack so much, she decides to have one more apple. Ah! Chomp! Can you pretend your arms are a big alligator mouth and chomp like Allie? Open your arms wide and go, Ah! And then quickly close them shut. The letter A can make lots of different sounds. In our story, the letter A goes Ah like alligator and apple. Do you remember what sound Benny the Bear makes? That's right, Benny the Bear goes B. And we just learned that Allie the Alligator goes Ah. B and Ah. Now let's see what sound Tommy the Turtle makes. Tommy the Turtle goes T. Tommy the Turtle is playing on his favorite hill. He has a special trick for getting down the hill. Once he is at the top of the hill, he does a musical tumble with his shell. It goes like this. T, t, t. Then a big splash into the water. Tommy goes up the hill again. T, t, t. And splash into the water. Can you use your arms to make a tumbling motion and make this sound? T, t, t. Like Tommy's shell? The letter T can make more than one sound, but usually, and like in our story today, the letter T goes T, like Tommy the Turtle's shell. Do you remember what sound Benny the Bear makes? That's right, B. Do you remember what sound Allie the Alligator makes? Ah. Do you remember what sound Tommy the Turtle makes? T. Let's try and put those sounds together. B, A, T, B, A, T, ba, at, ba, at, bat, bat.